Oh my God, I wish you could smell this. Woo! What a great flavor. Hi Val and Ryan, I'm here again, Chef Dino at Tony's Fresh Market in Schaumburg. Today we're gonna make a great dish, Cacio y Pepe. We're gonna serve this over a bed of fresh vegetables that have been sauteed with garlic in tomato oil. It's a very simple dish, and Alessi has made it even simpler. This is a 4-minute pasta that I've got going right now. It's getting nice and creamy, so now you need to pull it off and let it thicken on its own. Now we're gonna do our vegetables. We have these sun-dried tomatoes that are packed in oil. So I'm gonna use that oil. I've got some fresh zucchini, some nice yellow squash. One of my favorite, these are king oyster mushrooms. We're gonna saute these for about 2-3 minutes. We're gonna add our sun-dried tomatoes from Alessi, some Italian olives. I've drained this completely. I got some radicchio here. And what we're doing is we're just peeling and tearing this. You want about 1/4 pound of radicchio. And we're gonna just kind of stir this around, getting all those flavors melted together. And again, we're gonna let this cook for about 2 minutes. We did some crushed garlic, and we're gonna throw about 4 or 5 cloves right in there. Last but not least, we're gonna glaze them with some balsamic reduction here. And we're gonna put this pasta right in the middle. Finish that off with a little flat leaf Italian parsley. And last but not least, our Romano crisp. Our Cacio y Pepe is now ready to serve. Hey guys, you wanna come over and try some new product that we just got? So we're gonna take some pasta here for you. A little bit of the vegetables, a little olive, some of that radicchio here.
It's rich, creamy, nice pepper background. You can really taste the cheese.
So all I can say is manja.